You know, at Wilshire Law Firm, we invest every resource possible to help advance our clients' interests.
My name is Daniel Desantis, and I am a senior trial attorney and partner at Wilshire Law Firm. Me and my team had the pleasure of representing a young mother who had a slip and fall incident at a grocery store back in 2021. She unfortunately came into contact with some water on the ground and fell very hard, hitting her head on the cart and subsequently her body hitting the ground. She not only suffered a concussion, she also suffered neck and back injuries that she needed medical attention for. When we first obtained the case, the defense offer was $0. Throughout litigation, they did not budge until we got MotionLit involved.
I'm a firm believer that jurors learn by seeing. MotionLit helped us with 5 animations that were critical when it came to increasing the value of this case.
What MotionLit was able to do was take the surveillance that we were able to obtain in the case and put on an animation reconstruction overlay on top of the surveillance and zoom in to our client when she unfortunately came into contact with the dangerous condition on the floor and show exactly how her body moved, really zoning in to what happened to her and how she fell and what body parts actually collided forcefully. MotionLit not only helped me with creating an incident animation about what happened on the date of, but they also created animations for the 2 surgeries that my client required as a result of the fall. One being a cervical fusion in one level in my client's neck, and also a 1-level lumbar discectomy in my client's low back. I think generally when people hear that someone is making a claim for a slip and fall incident, people might think that it might be frivolous. What MotionLit was able to do was really capture how serious this incident was for our client. Because of MotionLit's help with this case, we were able to resolve my client's claim for $4 million. Without their animations and visuals, it's just me telling a defense lawyer or telling an insurance adjuster that my client slipped and fall, injured herself, and required surgeries, versus what we're able to show them through the help of MotionLit. I firmly believe that this $4 million result does not happen without bringing in MotionLit and their team to really color in what happened to my client on the date of the incident and how the injuries affected her life.